What's up, dude? We're looking at the masthead of the mural. It specifies the artist and the various companies that were engaged in the creation of this mural. You see Salvador Torres, which is me. And then you see Gloria Torres, which was my former wife. I was contacted by the city of San Diego that Restuarant Depot had purchased the property, and they wanted me to restore the mural. So if you step around this way, the very nature of the fact that this was once a building and it was being used by Kelco company to store the kelp that was processed. They were the ones that commissioned me to do the original mural. And all of these figures in the streetcar represent people that I've seen going by in the trolley. This is my grandmother. And then my grandson, who is just about to graduate from San Diego State, Michael Boxall. And then this is my grandson here, Ivan, who served as a Marine in Bahrain and came back and became a highway patrolman, and then he died of a heart attack. And then this is Blaze, his brother, my granddaughter, blonde hair, Serafina. And then above her is Reina, a young 9-year-old that gave a wonderful presentation during the inauguration of this mural. Those falcons up there were born in the Coronado Bridge. They're there to symbolize the endangered species of the peregrine falcons. They're pieces of road signs that I cut up into mosaics, and when you shine a mirror into them, they just have a very powerful reflection. I'll give you an idea of what I'm talking about. Once the mural is finished, I invite the public to come with mirrors at any time of the day and flash them onto the mural and see the interplay of movement, color, texture, and the illusion of movement. And so, even with the movement of cars, you can see that in the mirrors on the other side where you saw the fish doing this.